Many thanks for purchasing EDM small hole drilling machine from BAOMA Group. This video takes BMD703 as sample to show to detailed instruction for installing and commissioning the machine. Dismantle the package. The EDM small hole drilling machine was packaged in only one case. Please dismantle the case as follows step. Remove the metal belts on the top and the bottom of the case with the crowbar. Take away the 4 pieces of plywood boards. Reserve the case for future using. Then, please remove the protection cover for the machine and check if there is any damage on the machine. Take off the synthetic glass protection cover from the work table. Open the door on right side of the machine. And take out the power supply cable, plastic barrel, 4 pieces iron cushions, the wrench for the filter. This used for changing the core of the filter. Open the documentary bag and check it one by one. Handle and install the machine. The step to handle the machine. Remove the nut on the fixed screw, which connects the machine and the foundation with the spanner number 19. Take out the hexagon spanner 4 mm from the tools box. Remove the fixed bracket for Y-axis with the spanner 4 mm. Take out the hexagon spanner 4 mm from the tools box. Remove the fixed bracket for Y-axis with the spanner 4 mm. Move the X-axis to the extremely position along the minus direction. Put the hanging belt to the 4 hanging screws. When the hanging belt is being tightening, raise the machine and take out foundation. Please make sure feet are connected with the iron cushion well. If there are any feet not connected with the iron cushion, please screw up the foundation screw. Put the 4 pieces iron cushions and put them to each feet of the machine, and lift the machine slowly. Then take out the foundation and put the iron cushion to each feet of the machine. Power supply. Take out the power supply cable. Remove the cover for the plug and connect the 4 course cable to the machine and tighten it. Connect another end to the power supplier. Turn on the switch on the back of the machine. Pull out the emergency button. Turn on the green start button. Adjust the level. Loose the black lock for Z-axis second travel, which locate on the right side of the column, and press the white button to raise the Z-axis. Press the black button, Z-axis will go down. If there is something wrong with the direction, please power off the machine and open the left door of the machine. Please find the 3 cable, yellow, red, and blue color, named U, V, W. Please change any 2 positions of these 3 cables. Check it again. Please raise the Z-axis with the white button until the distance is enough to put the level in. Clear the anti-rust oil on the table and on the clamp. Move the XY axis to the center of the table by running the hand wheel. Take out 2 levels and put them on the work table vertically like a T. Watch the location of the bumble in the levels. The bumble runs to which direction? This direction is higher. You can forward adjust it with the foundation screw. Adjust the foundation screw until the bumble in the middle of the levels. Take the levels away from the table. Commissioning the machine. Now, we will use the machine work on a sample to drill a hole diameter 1 mm. Take out the spanner 10 mm. Open the door on the right side, and remove the screw and take off the fixed bracket. Pull out the tanker and open the cover for the tank. After filling the tank with water, please put the tank back to the original position. Take out a plastic barrel and put the used water tube into this barrel. Fix the electrode tube. Attention, fix the electrode as follows steps. Put the workpiece in the middle of the clamp. Loose the screw on the clamp. Move the clamp to the middle of the work table. Tighten the screws. Put the workpiece on the clamp and fix the clamp on the work table. Take off the truck on the rotate head. Attention! Don't drop the truck, or you will damage it and influence the precision of the machine. Take out one piece electrode and a seal ring diameter 1 mm. Please pay attention to the direction of the seal ring. Please put the direction with mouth up and the flat direction down. Please thread the electrode through the seal ring, and then put it together into the rotate spindle. Put the electrode with the seal ring through the truck. Put the brass nozzle to the spindle. Put the truck with the electrode and the seal ring into the rotate head. Tighten the truck to the spindle and lock the electrode to the center of the truck. Take out the guide apparatus diameter 1 mm. If you use cone-shaped guide apparatus, please put the small side down and lock it tightly with the spanner 4 mm. Fold down the Z-axis and thread the electrode through the guide apparatus, and stop when the electrode comes out around 3 to 4 mm. Please keep a suitable distance from the truck to the guide apparatus. Please tighten the truck holder the electrode correctly. Don't break the electrode, and also no gap between the truck and the electrode. Fold down the Z-axis with a black button. Stop it when the distance between the guide apparatus and the workpiece is around 5 mm. Lock it after adjusting. Open rotary switch on the Open water pump switch. Check electrode water flow. If there is no water flow, open machining right door. Pull out the water tanker. Open cover and check return water pipe. If there is no water flow, open and adjust the pressure valve window. Below X-axis hand wheel, loose the red valve. Press the valve. Then, check the electrode water flow again. If there is electrode water flow, please check the press parameter. Is it 6 to 7 mA? The parameter lower than 6 to 7 mA. The machining efficiency will reduce. Please screw the red valve tight and check again. Put on 2 pieces organic glass to work table and adjust station. Adjust panel parameters. Choose electrode size switch. One side, adjust tone and top as 4, 2. Adjust IP, power tube as 5. Then open rotary switch, high frequency switch, Z-axis lock switch orderly. The machine starts to working. About the parameter setting, please refer the operation manual. Check ammeter and voltmeter. Normally, the ammeter parameter should be about 10 ampere. The voltmeter should be about 25 volt. Attention! If ammeter and voltmeter parameter are not steady, you can adjust the servo switch properly. When finished machining, close high frequency switch firstly. Wait until electrode outer workpiece. Then close water pump switch. Then last close rotary switch. Z-axis will roll back to the top. Wait the Z-axis raise. Electrode leave the guide. Close Z-axis lock switch. Loose the truck and take out electrode Take out chuck. Plug up spindle hole by hand, then open water pump switch to push out the seal ring. Turn off breaker switch behind the machine. Turn off power switch. After machining, clean work table. Put on machine cover. The end of the way to install and commissioning the machine. Thanks for your time. Water pump BMD703 maintenance. Change seal ring. After some time, because of seal ring wear, it will lead to pump leak. Please change seal ring as follows steps. Open machine right door. Use 10 mm wrench to screw out 8 pieces nuts on brass body. Take brass body away. Loose acetylene pipe chuck on brass body left side. Take away acetylene pipe from the brass body. Use tweezers to take out 3 group seal rings. Attention! V supporting ring and V seal ring as one group. Take out pour plug, clean pump body and brass body by clean cloth. Put on new V supporting ring to V seal ring. Attention! To prolong the using life of the seal ring for the pump, please put some lubrication oil on it. Put on pour plug to pump body. Put on the brass body as original. And screw up 8 pieces nut. Attention! In order to make seal ring get average pressure, do not screw up one nut very tight one time. Insert acetylene pipe and screw up chuck. Rotary part leak problem maintain. Change O-ring. After some time using, the O-shape seal ring will be broken. This will cause water leaking on the spindle. Please change it as follows. Loose 2 pieces screws on plastic cover. Take away plastic cover. Use 3 mm wrench to loose 3 pieces screws besides motor. Take away screws. Pull out fixture. Use tweezers to take O-ring. Put on new O-ring into the hole. Put on fixture. Screw up 3 pieces nuts. Put on plastic cover and screw up 2 pieces screws. Consumable specifications and the model list. Electrode seal ring, guide apparatus, pump seal ring, carbon brush, O-shape rubber ring for spindle, filter,